Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone battery draining faster issue in iOS 18.3. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So I start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to just simply open the settings and then here tap on VPN, and you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is an connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then go back, and here tap on journal, scroll down, tap on background app refresh and turn this toggle off. So guys, after turning background refresh app, so simply go back and then you have to just simply tap on privacy and security and then location services and turn this toggle off. Now after turning it off, you have to just simply scroll it up and then here you can see this, so simply tap on battery and then here you can see this the low power mode, so you have to just simply turn on this toggle from here. So guys, after turning the low power mode, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your battery draining issue on your iPhone. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.